Hello students, today we are going to continue the examples in the exercise 5.3. In the last lecture we see the 5 examples in the exercise 5.3. Now next, it is the 6th example. Line y is equal to mx plus c passes through points a 2, 1 and b 3, 2. Then determine m and c. Then determine m and c. Now here we want to find the equation of line passing through 2 points. It is a and b, and then this line can be written in the y-intercept form, and then we write the m and c. Okay, here we know that the equation of line passing through 2 points, if the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then equation of line is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 and equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. It is the equation of line passing through 2 points. Here given that the 2 points are the given, it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. Find the equation of line. We get the equation of line in the general form. Then we reduce this equation as a y-intercept form and then write the m and c. Now here given points are, it is a 2, 1 and b 3, 2. Therefore equation of line passing through points a and b is, it is x minus x1, that is x minus 2 upon x2 minus x1, x1 y1 x2 y2. Now y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, it is y1 and 2 is a y2. Now calculate. It is x minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 1. Therefore we can write x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. Therefore okay, here we can write this equation as a y-intercept form. Okay, we can write first the general form. Okay, straight calculation. It is a general form of the line. Therefore it is x minus y, and here this minus 1 becomes plus. Therefore it is minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, it is a straight calculation. It is the equation of line passing through 2 points, but we have the equation of line in y-intercept form. Okay, therefore therefore this can be written as, it is y, take this side, y is equal to x minus 1. It is y minus a, इकडे गेला plus, that is x minus 1. Then compare with y is equal to mx plus c, and therefore m is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1. It is the equation of line in a general form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and it is y is equal to mx plus c. It is a y-intercept form, y equal to. Okay, it is the answer. It is the value of m and c. Now we will see the next example. find the equation of line having inclination having inclination 135 degree and making x intercept seven. Okay, here we want to find the equation of line inclination 135 and making x intercept it is 7. We know that when we find the equation of line there is a two conditions. Okay, we know that the slope of line and line passing through point, that is the equation of line. It is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, to find the equation of line we need to know the two values, that is the slope of line and line passing through point. Okay, here given that the inclination of line, if theta is the inclination, then we know that the slope of line it is a tan theta, that is the value of tan 135. Tan 135 it is a minus 1, therefore we know the slope of the line, it is the value of m, and x intercept is 7. X intercept is 7, that is the line passing through point 7, 0, and it is the line passing through point, that is x1, y1. x1 is 7 and y1 is 0. It is x1 and it is y1. Now we see the equation of line here. Given that the inclination of line is 135 degree, that is theta is equal to 135 degree. Therefore slope of line is m is equal to tan theta, that is m is equal to tan 135 degree. Okay, tan theta is equal to 135, लिहिले नाही तरी चालते, directly it is, and then we know that tan 135 it is equal to minus 1, the value of tan 135. Now and x intercept of line is 7, that is line through 7, 0. It is the x intercept is 7, therefore the line passing through point 7, 0. It is the slope of line, it is the value of m, and it is line passing through point, it is x1, y1. Therefore equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and therefore you can write y minus y1, that is the 0, m it is a minus 1, and x minus 7 it is the x1. Therefore y is equal to minus x plus 7 multiply by the minus 1, then take minus x and 7 on this side. Therefore x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 is a required equation of line. Okay, see carefully. Okay, next, 8th example. The vertices of triangle A 3,4, B 2,0, C -1,6. Then find the equation of lines passing through equation of lines containing equation of lines containing, first example, containing side BC. Second example, the median AD. And third example, the midpoints of side AB and BC. Okay, now let's see, given that the vertices of the triangle, here we first write the given, it is given that vertices of triangle are A 3,4, B 2,0 and C -1,6, okay, are the vertices of triangle. Now the first example, we want to find the equation of side BC. Here see carefully, suppose it is A 3,4, it is B it is 2,0 and C -1,6, okay, are the vertices of triangle. Now we want to find the equation of line containing the side BC, okay. Now we want to find the equation of line containing the side BC, that is the line passing through 2 points B and C. Then we know that the equation of line passing through 2 points, it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Then equation of line containing side BC, that is the equation of line BC, equation of line passing through point B and C, okay. Here we want to find the equation of line containing side BC, okay. Therefore here we want to find the equation of line containing side BC, that is equation of line passing through points B and C. We want to find the equation of line passing through point B and C, that is it is B and C, it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Then we know that the equation of line passing through 2 points, therefore it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Therefore equation of line is x minus x1, it is x minus 2, upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, okay. Now we calculate, it is x minus 2 upon minus 3 is equal to y upon 6, okay. Therefore this can be written as, okay, we can write here x minus 2 is equal to, it is minus 3, take here, it is minus y by 2, minus 3 here, 3 upon 6, it is 1 by 2, and then it is 2x minus 4 is equal to minus y, and then 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. It is the equation of line containing the point B and C, that is the containing the side BC of the triangle. It is the first question. Now we write the second. It is the equation of line passing through 2 points. See carefully. Now the second question is find the equation of the median. Okay, see carefully. We want to find the equation of median AD. Okay, that is, we want to find the equation of median. It is median AD. That is equation of line passing through point A and D. The coordinate of point A are the given, but we don't know the coordinate of point D. But AD is a median, that is D is a midpoint of BC. Then by midpoint formula we find the coordinates of the point D, and then we find coordinates and point A. We know the coordinates of point A and D. Then we find the equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, see carefully. Here given, it is given points are can be written here. AD is a median. AD is median of triangle ABC. That is, D is midpoint of BC. D is a midpoint of BC. Then we know that the midpoint formula, it is x1 y1 x2 y2. Then x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore the coordinates of point D are x1, that is 2 plus minus 1 upon 2, and 0 plus 6 upon 2. Therefore D, it is 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2, comma 3 are the coordinates of point D. Now we find the equation. Therefore equation of median AD, that is equation of line passing through A, it is 3, 4 and D 1 by 2, 3. Okay. A and it is D. It is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Therefore equation of line x minus 4, it is x minus x1, that is x minus 3 upon x2 minus 3 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. Now take the calculation. Now here see carefully. Here 1 by 2 minus 3, it is 6 minus 5 by 2. See carefully. It is minus 5 by 2. Then to get in the numerator 2x minus 6 upon minus 5. It is minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 to get in the numerator is equal to y minus 4 upon, it is minus 1. Then 2x minus 6, take this side, minus 5 and it is minus 1, it is a plus. Therefore it is 5y minus 20. See carefully, minus minus plus, 5 into y and 5 into minus 4. And then the last answer 2x minus 5y, and then 20 becomes plus, minus 6 plus 20, it is plus 14 is equal to 0. It is the required equation, that is the equation of median. It is AD, equation of median, that is the equation of line containing the median AD. Okay, equation of line containing the median AD. It is 2x minus 5y plus 14 is equal to 0. Now the last question is the midpoints of equation. Find the equation of line containing the midpoints of side BC, AB and BC. Midpoint of side AB and BC. Okay, here we can write here Now, here we want to find the equation of line containing the midpoints of side AB and BC. Now let we consider two midpoints. Let it is midpoint of AB and BC. Okay. Let E and D are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Okay. Therefore, coordinates of E is a midpoint of AB. It is AB. E is a midpoint of AB, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, it is E 5 by 2, comma 2. It is the midpoint of AB, and it is a D is a midpoint of BC. We have already done. It is find the midpoint of. It is a BC. Now, D is a midpoint of BC, that is 2 plus minus 1 upon 2, 0 plus 6 upon 2, and then it is a D. It is 1 by 2, comma 3. Okay, it is a midpoint of this. Now we find the equation of line passing through 2 points. Therefore, equation of line passing through E and D is, now it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Here, therefore you can write x1 y1 and x2 y2. X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Y2, y minus y1 and y2 minus y1. Y minus y1 and y2, that is 3 minus. Therefore, take the calculation here. X minus 5 by 2 upon here 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, it is a minus 2. 1 minus 5 minus 4 upon 2, it is minus 2, is equal to y minus 2 upon 1. Now x minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2y plus 4. X minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2y plus 4. Now take the calculation here. X plus 2y minus 5 by 2 and 4 also minus 5 by 2 minus 4, that is minus 13 upon 2 is equal to 0. Then multiply by 2. 2x plus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0. It is the equation of line containing the midpoints of side AB and BC. Okay, here. See carefully all 3 examples. Okay, in the examples there will be asked any one examples out of 3. Okay, now next example. Next, find x and y intercept. Find x intercept and y intercept. X and y intercepts of the following lines. of the following lines. Okay, see carefully here. First example, x upon 2, x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. 3x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to 1. And last it is 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Now, here it is simple examples. Ask it is 1 marks or 2 marks. Okay, here we want to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. We know that the equation of line when a and b are the x-intercept and y-intercept, then the equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Now compare this equation of this, then we get the intercept, that is a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Now first example, given equation is x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. Therefore compare with the equation of line whose intercepts a and b respectively, a and b on coordinate axis respectively. It is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2 are x and y intercepts respectively. Okay. Are the x-intercept and y-intercept. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Now this is the second. Here, second example, given that given equation is, what is the given equation? 3x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Now equation of line in the intercept form, it is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. That is the coefficient of x and y are 1. But here coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is 4. Therefore we can write here x upon 2 by 3, okay, plus y upon 3 by 2 is equal to 1. And now we get x-intercept, it is 2 by 3 and y-intercept, it is 3 by 2 are the x and y-intercept respectively. Okay. Now the last one. Okay. Here it is the last. Given this is given. Now we want to find the equation of line in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now here it is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. Okay. Now we want minus 12 replaced by the 1, therefore divide throughout by minus 12. Therefore 2x upon minus 12 minus 3y upon minus 12 and is equal to 1. Divide throughout by minus 12. Now this becomes, it is x upon minus 6 and it is minus minus plus. Okay. Y upon 4 is equal to 1. X upon minus 6 and y upon 4. See carefully, it is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, and therefore x-intercept and y-intercept are minus 6 and 4. Okay. See carefully. X-intercept and y-intercept, only compare the double equation of line in a double intercept form where a is x-intercept and y is b is a y-intercept. Okay.